Hello guys, mbibutsa gukora subscribe. Ni filime nshyashya yasohotse ubu ngubu mise mbaterekera update ako mu Rwanda nta muntu wari wayikora. Nizere ko muri gukanda subscribe kugira ngo nihagira umusobanuzi yikora nzabamenyeshe. Siya kanda subscribe.
너까지 이룰 수 없었어. 그래서 쇼핑몰을 만든 거야.
삼촌이 그랬잖아. 선택은 어디까지나 내 몫이라고.
ジョンジは彼の唯一の弱みです。
1년 동안 바벨론 한국 지부가 제 기능을 못하고 있습니다.
新しいミッションが来た。
作戦地域は
韓国。
누군가 제 조카 털끝이라도 건드리거나 수상한 놈들이 조카 주변을 정거리거나 해도 바빌론의 실체는 세상에 드러납니다.
잘 들어 삼촌.
우리 오늘 아무도 지옥 안 간다. Long time no see. 전쟁만. 내가 말했지. 너 먼저 죽는다고.
협상은 제가 합니다.
전쟁은 끝이 없을 거고 내가 지안이의 방패막이가 돼야 해.
증명해 볼게. 그래서 돌아온 거야.
Coming episodes, the action erupts instantly as Jung Ji-yeon and Jung Jin-man find themselves surrounded by an even deadlier enemy than before. With danger closing in from every direction, it quickly becomes clear that escaping is no longer an option, forcing the pair to prepare for a fight they cannot avoid. The biggest twist comes with the arrival of Babylon's East Asia branch, an elite international assassination unit that has crossed the sea with one purpose: to hunt down Jung Jin-man. Leading the operation are Jae and Q, portrayed by Masaki Oda and Hyunri, who take charge of the overseas strike team after previous attempts to eliminate Jin-man failed. Their appearance signals that the failed attempts of previous assassins are over, and this elite group intends to finish the job once and for all. As the invasion begins, the preview hints that not everything is running smoothly within Babylon's ranks. During a fast-moving infiltration sequence, one operative questions the plan, suggesting disagreements over the tactics being used. The exchange hints that the East Asia branch may be struggling with internal friction as they attempt to break through Murthy-help's heavily fortified defenses. The action then explodes into full-scale chaos as relentless gunfire, speeding vehicles, and unexpected twists disrupt the attackers' carefully planned assault. A panicked shout suggests their mission is suddenly slipping out of control. This time, Ji-yeon is no longer the frightened survivor struggling to stay alive. Now leading Murthy-help, she stands beside Jin-man and fights back using the facility's advanced defenses, clever traps, and hidden technology, turning the battlefield against the invaders and catching them completely off balance. The closing moments build to an intense face-off as Jung Jin-man finally comes face-to-face with a familiar figure from his violent past. The tense reunion carries the weight of unfinished history, setting the stage for a fierce close-range showdown that promises to deliver one of the season's most explosive battles.